Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you the recipe of meringue pop. As you can see, we continue with the same theme as my last couple of videos, purple and white. So that's the colors I used here as well. So this is very easy to do. You just need egg white and sugar. That's it, and any flavor you would like. So the beginning of the video I didn't record it. I thought I did, but I didn't. So what I did is just in a clean bowl I put 160 grams of egg white with 225 grams of sugar, and just put it on the top of boiling water in a medium heat, and keep stirring the egg whites with the sugar until the sugar dissolves. So you have to keep stirring it until the sugar completely dissolves, or when you touch it, like when you're gonna touch it with your hand, as I'm gonna show you now in a video, it's gonna be like sticky, as you can see. So when you reach to that means it's ready to use in the mixer. So straight away I'm gonna remove it from the heat and put it in the electric mixer. I'm gonna start off with the medium speed and then put it higher, like put it on a top speed and keep mixing it. Adding strawberry flavor. You can have any flavor you like. You can vanilla, any flavor you like. I use strawberry flavors. So that's it. That's the meringue is ready to use now. As you can see, you have to have the peak. There we go. That's the peak. So it's a glossy and it has the peak, and when you turn the bowl over, it doesn't come off. So that's when you know that your meringue is ready to use. As you can see there. So that's it. So I have here so in the oven tray I have grease paper that I put like circles, or if you want to use it. If you don't want to use the circles, just as for guidance, so you can have the circles like properly. So I'm gonna put a little bit of meringue in the tray and then put on top of it the grease paper so it can stick and it doesn't move around. I'm using straws, like paper straws, because we're putting it on a really low heat so it doesn't melt or anything like that. So I'm putting it straight away. The straws, you can use any straws or any thing that is for lollipops or something like that. I'm just gonna do a swirl, and you can do any shape really. You can do any shape you want. So that's it, and just continue. I'm gonna do 3 this way and then 2 on the other side, so that's, you know, you don't have to waste the space on the other side. Just turn the tray over and do it. If you have anything in the end, as you can see, like sticking out, just with the toothpick or something, you can just put it down. And here I'm gonna make the purple. You can use the both colors together, you can use different colors together, you can be creative and do whatever you want. So when you are gonna put them in the oven is 90 degrees, so it has to be really low heat, and usually about an hour and a half maximum, until it's completely dry and it's, you know, like when you touch it, it's like completely dry. So I'm using these sprinkles on the top. I mean, you can use any sprinkles really, the colors that you want to use. As I said, when you put it in the oven, 90 degrees and for 1 hour, and then when it's reached 1 hour, turn off the oven and leave it on the oven for a few minutes, and then open the door of the oven a little bit and leave it there to cool down completely before you take it out. And that's it, and just leave it to cool down completely, like a few hours before you put it in a plastic bag, if you're using plastic bags or something like that. That's it. The leftover ones I used just like with the star shape, and I just pop them in the tray. As you can see, they're completely cooled down. And those are the other shapes I used, just with the star pipe. So now, just for extra, I'm gonna put some silver glitter, just to give it a little bit of shimmer. It doesn't show that much on the video, but it's it's really shimmery. So just a little bit of spray silver or any color. As I said, it depends on the colors that you're gonna be using. You can see the difference here with the glitter and without the glitter, and here the purple you can see a little bit more. And you saw the straws, they didn't melt at all because we have them in a really low heat. So I have those plastic bags. They came with those thank you notes as well, and this ribbon. So I bought those from Amazon. So just put them one each, put in a bag, and just bring it together and put the bow. Like, really easy to do, just put the bow and just tighten it. Those bows are so good because they're so easy to do, and also they're like, I mean, they have like so many colors. I got those from Tamo last time when I ordered from them. If you can see, they look so professional and they're so easy to do. And I'm gonna put a thank you on the side. If you can see in the end of the video there, the swan favors, my last video before this, so you can go ahead and see it if you didn't see it. Thank you very much for watching, and continue watching with me my next few videos. Gonna share with you some good ideas. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.